morning and assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing safe at your places. This is my third lecture of English text, and the book we are reading is Red Planet of ORT series. So, in my last lecture, we read till page number 7, and we are going to read from page number 8 till 10 today. In my last lecture, we read that Wolf, Chip, Nadim were playing game on the computer, and the game was called, remember, Red Planet. Yes, in which they had to land what? They had to land the rocket on the planet. But Wolf and Chip crashed the rocket because they were not good at it. Then suddenly the magic key started glowing and the adventure was about to begin. So now let's get back to the reader and explore the adventure with them. All of you take out your pencils and open your books, Red Planet, page number 8. Put the date on the right left corner today, that is 17/6/2020. Very good. The magic took them to a rocket ship. It took Floppy too. The rocket looked as if it was about to take off. But the door was open. Nadim wanted to look inside the rocket. Now they are near the rocket and the door of the rocket is open. And who wants to go inside the rocket? Nadim wanted to see inside the rocket. He was curious to know what's there inside the rocket. Right? And Floppy is also along with them. He also came here. Page number 9. Come on, he called. Chip didn't want to go inside. It may not be safe, he said. Why not? Said Nadim. This is a magic adventure. Now in the picture, Nadim is running towards the rocket. He wants to look inside the rocket and he's calling his friends also to come with him. But they are saying it's not safe. Who is afraid to get inside the rocket? Chip, because he doesn't want to be going inside the rocket. He says it's not safe. Page number 10. They went inside the rocket. There was nobody there. Look at this computer, said Nadim. Floppy jumped up and put his paw on a button. Can you see Floppy's paw on a button? And there was nobody inside the rocket, only they are here. Now students, your homework is you have to take a 4-line copy for English text, and in that copy first you have to make an index. In the index you will write serial number 1, date 17/6/2020. In topic you will write Red Planet, and the first thing you are going to do is writing. Now you will make a title page, that is of Red Planet, and after making the title page you will do 1 page writing in your copy. You will first write the writing heading on the top line, that is red line, and then you will write date on the right side of your page, that is 17/6/20, and then you will do neat writing within formation, within lines, like I have written it for you till here, the whole page from book. Okay, this is your today's homework, to make a title page of Red Planet and do one page writing in copy from book. I hope you will do it on time. Thank you.